Now we will introduce to you this N+P copy device. When we receive the goods, we can get a complete card slot and a matching device. Let's open the matching device first and take out our matching device. There is also a simple instruction manual telling you how to operate it, the white and green light, and the function of the blue light. Then we remove the cardboard. This is specifically for BMW BC3 cardboard. We put this box aside. Now we start to connect our device. One end of the device is for power. This is a Type-C power supply. Plug it in. At this time, we can see the light flashing. When the green light is on, it means the machine is working properly. Then we plug in the plug. There are 2 points on the plug, 2 points down. Press the diagram below. Press in both sides at once. Align the position. Press both sides at the same time. Then this plug also has 2 points. Align it, and insert it into the socket. We have disassembled a BMW key. This is the original key of the customer. We press it according to the marks and button it in. There are 2 fixed positions. See it here? Here one, here one. Press it down firmly. At this time we read it. Click read on the device. When the green light turns on, it means the reading is done. At this time, the data has been read. Then we remove the original cardboard. We take out the original key and put a new key we need to copy into it. At this time, we align it in the same position. Press down this board and press the buckle. After shaking, we click the right button on the device. At this time, the blue light turns on. When the blue light turns on, we wait for a while. When the green light turns on, the key is copied successfully. At this time, the key has been copied. This is a complete BMW matching operation video. Hello everyone. Now I will demonstrate for you Corolla, this model, for a chip's copy. How to copy the chip of our car key because its wake-up angle is hidden. Let's test our original car keys. Our original key. This is our default original car keys. Circuit board. Let's test its frequency first. The light has a frequency of 31314. This, our new motherboard. It doesn't light up and work. Now let's start the operation. First, align the original circuit board. Align it with the buckle position. Press the button. In this way, the board stays balanced. Put our wake-up. Align the wake-up pin with the 24th pin, then press the read button on the device. At this time, the white light will light up, then wait for it to recognize the data. When it recognizes, proving that it has been read, then we take off the original board and put in the board we want to write. Press the buckle. When we are writing, we don't need to connect the wake-up pin. Just click to write directly. This should be where it is not pressed properly. Let's press it again. Write in. We jump when the red light is on. It proves a work error. Let's press the board again. Now the blue light turns green. Write completed. Take off my circuit board. Then adjust the device to frequency. Test us. Put the battery in and press it. After copying, it's 31 to 31 for today's copy is over here. Now let's demonstrate how to this Mazda's 13D0 key. How to copy the 130. Let's identify the original key first. 315. This is the original key. This is the key we are going to copy. This is empty. Let's block it. There's no data inside. The remote light doesn't light. Then, now, we first put the original key of the car on our special cardboard. There are 2 holes. There are 2 through holes on the PCB. Align it and press the buckle. At this time, we click read on the device. The white light turns on. When the green light is on, it means the reading is done. Read completed. Now, remove the original key. The positioning pin is made tightly because its pin position is small. It must be very accurate. We press down our new card. The new card, circuit board. At this time, we click the right button on the device. It is writing now. When the green light turns on, write and record is done. Recording done. Let's remove this board now. Press the board. First remove the 2 buckles. It's easier to take it out flat like this. At this time, we are at the right. The board is not lit up. At this time, we take the electromagnetic base. Let's try this remote control. It's not good. Every key works properly. Let's also try the original one. It also works. Let's operate it. This Wrangler. And the new Jeep key backrest. This is the original key. It works fine. This is our new key, it's made later. This one doesn't work now. First, we put the original key on the cardboard on the table. At this time, we click read and see the white indicator light turn green, proving that the data is read completely. Then we insert the new circuit board. And press it. Click to write. Write completed. Now, we remove the circuit board to test it. Notice that our original car has 5 buttons, but now we have 6 buttons. In this way, the key on the right side will definitely not light up. The right one has no function. This is just right. It's exactly the same as our original function. So no matter how many buttons the original car has, we can copy it over. We also use a secondary version. As long as it is designed according to the original, it can all be used.